Judo is a wonderful sport, and one of the key skills we have is being able to fall safely without hurting ourselves. We start off in the kneeling position, one knee down, one knee up, foot next to the knee there. The knee that's down, the same hand goes to the floor, and then we roll under there. The hand goes between your knee and your arm. Push it up with a big push on both legs, like so. And from the side, same knee down, hand goes down, roll through. From the other side, knee down, hand goes through between the knee and your arm is down. There, roll. If you're a little bit unsure about actually going over and you've not done this before, it's fine to use a yoga ball or exercise ball, as they say. So, the procedure is exactly the same. One knee down, one knee up. Reach over, hand goes down. Once more, just so you can see. Hand down. Once we've progressed from the kneeling brick fall or ukemi, we can then progress up to doing it from a standing position. Normal 1 foot forward stance, kneel down. As the hand touches the floor, this hand goes through. Once again, hand goes down, through. And we can stand up, trying to look a bit cool. From the side here, 1 foot slightly forward, hand goes down,